I did end up spending a lot of money. I've had an idea for another surprise for the girls. Guys, it's all split! So today I'm going to take you guys to... Hey guys, it's LilyBakes here and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I thought that I would surprise my sister and her best friend with going shopping. So we're going to be going to shopping today and doing a massive shopping haul and just buying loads of clothes ready for summer. So the reason for this is because Brooke and Lexi are doing their GCSEs at the minute and they are struggling so much. Well, not so much, but they're hard, the GCSEs, especially maths. From the other day, they found that very difficult. But anyway, on a positive note, I'm going to be taking them out today and just making them feel better. So I thought today, let's just cheer them up and take them to shopping. And I'm also going to be taking our other friend Ruby, going to pick her up. The girls do not know at the minute, and I'm going to tell them when I'm going to be dropping them off to their exams. So I'm going to tell them when I drop them off that there's a surprise for when they finish. We're going to come back here quickly after the exam, get them changed, and then head straight away to shopping. So that is the plan, but I need to pick Lex up in 10 minutes and take them to their exam, and whilst they're doing that, I'm going to be getting myself ready with you guys. Before we get started with the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos, just like this one. Let's go. And like I said before, the girls do not know what I'm doing and where I'm taking them today, and they won't know until after they're back from their exam. So make sure you are watching to see their reactions, and also stay tuned to the end of the video to see a haul of what I get, because hopefully I get a lot of stuff today because I really need some new bits for summer. Let's go and pick Lex up. I'm not going to tell her anything until I'm with Brooke, because otherwise she might think something suspicious is going on. So I'm going to wait and film once Brooke's in the car. I'm with Brooke and Lex now, and Brooke said she looks bad, so she's not getting in the video. But I need to tell you guys something. So, after your exam, you are going to be doing something, both of you. It's a surprise, and no, you have to wait until after your exam. That's all I'm going to say. So what exam do you have today, guys? I'm going to drop them off now, and I'm going to do some stuff, and then you'll see them in a bit after the exam, and I'm going to tell them what we're doing. I am back and I've just dropped off the girls, and now I'm going to go in and actually sort myself out, and then it'll be time to go and get them because their exam is only an hour and 10 minutes. Got my strawberries and my water, which is going to be my breakfast today. It's really weird because Lex was saying to me in the car on the way here, I made some cupcakes the other day, chocolate cookie dough cupcakes. She said they were really nice. I have one left over. I'm thinking I might quickly whip up a cookie for Brooke, like a single serve cookie. Give that to them as a surprise for when they get into the car. I'm changed and all ready to go. I'm just going to put some makeup on. I'm all ready to go shopping. I'm just going to get the cookie out of the oven because it'll be ready in a minute. So I'm just about to leave, but I just wanted to show you. This is the cookie that I've just made. It's still really warm. That's for Brooke. And then this is the cupcake, a cookie dough cupcake. So it's got actual cookie dough inside the cupcake. I'm going to go and pick the girls up now and tell them their surprise. I have the girls now. They've finished their exam. Lexi's had a coffee fit, so she looks like she's crying. And I'm going to tell you guys where we're going. So today I'm going to take you guys to Lakeside. We're going to go shopping. Have a nice little girls shopping trip, and we're going to pick up Ruby now as well to take her. But I also, guys, have just made you both something. Is it a chocolate cake? Yeah, it is. It's a chocolate cookie dough cake. Oh my god! And then Brooke, you've got a cookie in there. I've decided to quickly change my outfit, so I've still got my leggings on. I've just changed my top and put this jacket on. But we are ready to go. So you will see all the girls in the car. I am driving. In the car, Ruby's here, Brooke's here, Lexi's here. We're all ready to go. So we'll see you when we're there. We're just driving now. We have just got here. I'm sweating. It's very hot. I'm not even going to take my jacket because it's too hot. But we're going to go shopping now. We went straight into Primark and I've already done a lot of damage. A lot of damage. We got sides, me and Brooke. I got chicken tenders, waffle fries and a Fanta. Brooke, what did you get? I'll show you. She's got loaded fries and tenders. I'm going to try the tenders and see. This is what they look like. That's really good, Brooke. That chicken. Look at that. That's so nice. We'll try the fries. These are really good. Ruby, let's go Shake Shack.
Well, it's better now.
Sorry. And I'm just eating my waffle fries. Guys, that was a massive success. I absolutely love my food from side. But I think after this we're going to go to Zara. We've been to Primark and we went to a new shop. I think it was called, what's it called? H&L, something in Lucas. And that was really nice and we got something in there. But next we're going to go to Zara and just spend even more money. Just in at Stradivarius, just try this on. It's not very nice, so I'm not going to get it. But we've been to Zara, Stradivarius, and now we're going to go to Pull&Bear. Guys, it's all split! Getting some frozen yogurt. Got my frozen yogurt. This is really nice. I think we're going to go home now because there wasn't that much in like any of the shops really. We are just dropping Lex off as we have gone home now, and I'm going to give you a haul when I've dropped everyone off. I am back home now, guys, so I thought I'd give you all a haul of everything that I got. So I managed to put everything in this bag because Primark is the first place we went to, and I just thought instead of getting a paper bag and it rips, as you saw Lexi's one rip, I've got this one so I can carry everything in there. I did end up spending a lot of money. But the first thing that I got was from HL Fashions, which was really nice in there, like really nice. It looked all new, which is these. I really want to try these on. So it's a bit like the Zara ones, but I feel like they're more comfortable. They're more like joggers, and just the material is really, really comfortable and lovely. With the white ruching here. That is the first thing that I got. The next thing that I got was from Zara. I literally got one thing from Zara and I bought it and I'm not 100% sure on it, but I thought if I just get it I can take it back if I need to. But I got this leopard print dress. I'll see if I can show you guys. So it sort of goes like this. It's a short dress and then at the back it's crossed over. Lots of detailing on the back there, so I thought that was really cute. Then I went to Sides and that was probably one of the best like chicken and chips I've had in a long time. I also went in Zara. I got just for my boyfriend this shirt, this nice like bluey grey coloured shirt, but he doesn't know about it yet. And then really I just went into Primark after that. So well, obviously Primark first because I couldn't find anything in Stradivarius or Pull&Bear, and then obviously only that in Zara, and we didn't really go to many other shops. I just couldn't find anything. I went to H&M, couldn't find anything in there. But from Primark I picked up this, which last time I went shopping I bought this and it said it was a medium and the top ended up being an extra large. And then I just picked up this. You can never go into Primark and not come out with one of these sets. There's always new colours. I have so many of the colours. I picked up some shorts, just some like everyday shorts for the summer, which I thought would be really cute. Can just put with anything. And then this is really random, guys, but I got a wireless charging car phone clip to put in my car. And then I picked up these shoes for holiday, which I thought were really cute. Like they're just really nice and they'll go with everything because they're like white and glittery. The last thing that I got, which I opened already, is a power bank because I really needed one because I literally don't have any. They're all really bad. That's actually it because I didn't even get that much and I'm really annoyed because I wanted to get loads of bits and there wasn't that many things like anywhere, like in Primark, in Zara. I was really disappointed with Zara, to be honest, and Pull&Bear and Stradivarius. but we all had a lovely time, and I'm pretty sure Brooke and Lexi probably felt a bit happier after their exam. But guys, that is the end of the video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos just like this one. Bye!